is meant by the mass of a body? The quantity of matter in a body is called its mass. Mass is the measure of the number of atoms contained in any object or a body. Since the number of atoms in any object remains constant, hence its mass remains constant. Mass is expressed by the unit SI unit kg. Mass is denoted by small m. We have learned in the previous chapter that mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. We have also learned that greater the mass, the greater is the inertia. Following are some of the characteristics of mass. Mass of a body is directly proportional to the quantity of matter contained in it. Mass of a body is a scalar quantity. Mass of a body can be measured with a beam balance. The mass of a body remains the same at all places. This means the mass of a body on the earth, on the moon, or anywhere in the outer space remains constant. What is weight? We know that the earth attracts every object with a certain force, and this force depends on two factors: mass of the body and the acceleration due to gravity. So, the force acting on the object is given by F is equal to m into A is equal to m into g. This force is the weight of the body. Therefore, we can write weight is equal to m into g. The weight has both direction and magnitude. Hence, weight is a vector quantity. The SI unit of weight is Newton, as it is a force. Following are some of the characteristics of weight. Weight is a vector quantity. Weight is measured with a spring balance. The weight of a body is directly proportional to its mass. The weight of a body changes with the value of g. So, when g decreases, the weight of the body also decreases. The value of g, acceleration due to gravity, at the pole is higher than at the equator. That is why a body weighs more at the poles than at the equator. Weight of all bodies, big or small, becomes zero at the center of the earth.